Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Google search not working on iPhone. So to start, close Google and go to your settings. Next, scroll down and go to General. Next, scroll down and go to iPhone storage. Now once you're here, scroll down until you see Google. Click Show All if you can't find it. Click Google. Then what we need to do is to tap Offload App. So this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. So tap Offload App, then tap Offload App again to confirm. So wait for it to process. Once Reinstall App appears, click on that to place back your documents and data. So just wait for it to finish. You can also choose Delete App at the bottom, so this will delete the app and all related data from your iPhone. And this action cannot be undone. So if you choose to delete app, you can reinstall it by going to App Store or Play Store and just search for Google. Then tap this cloud icon or install button to download it to your phone. Once it's done, close settings, open Google and see if that fixed the issue. Next, so open Google and click your profile in the bottom right corner. Then at the top, so you should see delete last 15 minutes. So second method is to clear search history. So tap delete last 15 minutes. So it's now deleting. So wait for it to finish. Then close Google and reopen it and see if that works. Next, so open Google app again, then click your profile in the bottom right corner. Then go to settings. Then scroll down and go to privacy and safety. Now what we need to do next is to clear cache. So at the top under activity, tap clear app history and tap clear all. Also at the bottom, you should see clear cookies. Click on it and tap clear all. Once done, close this. So close the app and reopen it and see if that fixed the issue. And that's it. Thank you for watching.